There are all sorts of reactions that take place in our lives each day. These could range from getting a certain grade at the testing center,
Should've gone to UVU.
to drinking something totally disgusting.
They made the sweet grass. That's so strong. They harvested it and now they're drinking it.
Satchel, we're gonna put some in his food.
There are also some other fun ways to get reactions. These can be chemical reactions, like you would do in a chemistry class. You can also get reactions from your roommates on April Fool's Day. I like to do both of these things. I especially like to get reactions from my roommate Chelsea. She gives great reactions. I love to pick on her during April Fool's Day. And lucky for me, her birthday is on April Fool's Day. I don't know how that worked out, but I'm so glad it did. As you'll see, one of my favorite things to do chemical reactions with is vinegar. There are tons of different things you can do with it, including April Fool's Day jokes. Okay, so one of the experiments that can happen to cause a reaction is adding vinegar right here to an egg. We're going to pour the vinegar into the egg to see what happens. And what will happen is if you leave this in here for a couple of days, the vinegar will completely dissolve the eggshell and you'll be left with a thin membrane around the yolk, but there'll be no shell. After a couple of days, the shell in our egg is completely disintegrated, and now you can see there's a thin membrane with the yolk inside. So that was one example of a cool chemical reaction that you can do on your own at home with vinegar and an egg. The other day I saw a really neat exothermic reaction take place in my chemistry class. Obviously not all exothermic reactions are going to be that big, and you can use some exothermic reactions as April Fool's Day jokes too, as follows. Chelsea, I made you a cake for your birthday.
Yeah? Where is it?
Let me go get it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you.
Oh no! What happened to my cake? Oh dear! This is crazy! My oh me! Ah!
April Fools. Hey Chelsea, can you help me cook something?
Sure!
Alright, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I need you to add this into the bowl and then mix this into it, okay? Alright, thanks.
Okay. Ah! Ah!
April Fools.
What?
April Fools.
It's awesome, but it's ancient. It's an antique. This is something we find in my part of Brooklyn.